Another one. What database slash SQL client do you use? Personally, I love DataGrip, but it's paid. And when the trial expired, I would be looking for something else. Alternatives? And what do you like and don't like about it? You know, the reason that I have not downloaded DataGrip yet is because. Wait, did I download it? Let me see. Did I download it? Nope. I did not download DataGrip yet because I do not want to use that free trial yet. Right? I am waiting until I have necessary use for it before I download it because I am a JetBrains fanboy. Yes, I admit it. My name is Tech Coach Ralph, and I have a problem. I love all JetBrains softwares. And I mentioned the other day, right? I am upset with myself that I didn't just buy the whole suite. I only bought WebStorm because it was cheaper. And I'm like, oh man, I could have paid for the year and I could have gotten all of these could have gotten this whole I could have had data grip already and I wouldn't have to be waiting like an idiot to get it. But I'll tell you this, right? So first we'll go into the softwares that I use and then I will give you some advice. So let's see. I have on my computer DB browser for SQLite. And let me open it to see what if there's anything. So I mean, what I like about it, it's simple enough, I guess. What I don't like about it is it's not a JetBrains product. Okay, I'm kidding. I'm not kidding, but you know what I mean. But I don't like about it. It looks like the interface is kind of to be desired. I don't see much ability to do much scripting in it. I must say I don't use it that much, but it's a software. It can get the job done, but it's not a JetBrains software. And then I have on my computer dbeaver, right? And I have the community edition for dbeaver. It is I've used that. I've used dbeaver for years now. Um and it's a cool software like but I the thing is with a lot of these as well, right? They might be specific to one particular type of database and they don't you're not able to use them for across all databases, right? So but I never really had like I don't do that much database testing to have that much of a problem with it. As part of the Patreon with the Tech Barbarians, we are building these applications so that the Tech Barbarians can develop experience in their respective fields, right? So what that means is like we're developing software. So I might end up needing to use database softwares a lot more. But like I said, with the nature that let's say for a dbeaver, for instance, right? Let me take a quick look to see the connections. So okay, so you can connect to. All right, so I'm looking at dbeaver right real quick, right? And from what I see in there, you can connect to tons of databases. So that might be helpful. That might be a good alternative, right? dbeaver might be a good alternative because I'm looking at it. It can connect to MySQL, SQLite, DB2 for LUW, not for Linux, Unix, Windows driver, DuckDB, MariaDB, Oracle, Postgres, SQL, Apache, Calcite. Let's see. Let's see. I don't see yet. Let's see. Um, I didn't see Mongo. Yeah, I don't see Mongo in there. Maybe it can, but I don't know. I don't see Mongo in there because the no SQL. Like I see it says no SQL in there, but I didn't see it. Um, I mean, I see it says no SQL as an option, but I don't see it in there. So it's possible that it can't connect to Mongo, which, connecting to NoSQL databases is pretty like it's pretty important, you know. But I see that it connects to graph databases. So um, dbeaver might be a good option depending on your needs. It connects to Hadoop and big data databases. Yeah, yeah, I think that might be a good analytical Azure Databricks. Um, yeah, that might be actually a good option, to be honest with you. But yeah, like I think dbeaver might be like if you're looking for a free solution, outside of like the typical MS SQL like that you'd get with if you're set up a MS SQL with Microsoft, you can get the software as well that goes with it. But I would say I'd probably go with dbeaver. But what I was gonna say is don't be hesitant to pay for software that you find valuable, right? When I was looking at Datagram, I'm like, oh wow, I can connect to all these databases because I suspect that I'm going to be using a Mongo database we're going to be using MongoDB for the software that we're building, and I'm like, if there was any tool that I just like to stay in the family of the JetBrains, so then I would suggest that if you really enjoy using if you really enjoy using like JetBrains software like DataGrip, then I would say, if you're getting it like if you're using it for your company, see if the company is going to pay for it, right? And if you're using it for your own personal use, make the investment, invest in yourself to use the right tool, use the proper tools, so that you can work efficiently, work comfortably. All right, invest in yourself. All right. So, shout out to that question.
If you enjoyed the fascinating information shared in this video and you want more, be sure to hit the subscribe button to Tech Coach Ralph to be notified for new videos.